Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're doing a hood mount light output video on a Ram TRX. I wanted to show you exactly what product you're getting and how much additional light it puts out on the road. These are the factory LED headlights. And here's the hood mount kit. Notice how much depth you're receiving. It's able to shoot very far down the road and provide you that additional light that you need for off-roading. Notice it is in a pencil beam pattern. It puts out light directly where you need it most. You are able to angle it in any position that you want, whether you want it more inward, straight, or outward. So these are the factory low beams, high beams. And here's the hood mount kit. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the product.